Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to delete your CyberGhost VPN account. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website cyberghostvpn.com, and once you are on the official website you need to log in into your account by providing your credentials. Once you logged in, you will see this kind of options. There is an option like my account section at the very top side. You can select my account section, or when you are on the dashboard you can also see like this kind of options. When you click on your account section, on your account profile, on your profile icon, then you will see this kind of drop down menu. You need to select account setting, and once you select account setting you will see this kind of options. On this screen there are so many information available. At the very bottom side there is an option delete my account. Okay, when you click on this option it will ask you to provide your password. Once you enter your password, when you click OK, then by using this method you can easily we can say like delete your account very easily. Okay, so by using this way you can easily cancel your account. If you are facing any issue you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.